At Primos LLC, we believe every project deserves care, precision, and a clean finish. Proudly serving Charlotte, North Carolina, and surrounding areas, we provide professional assembly and handyman services for homeowners, families, and property managers. From furniture and fitness equipment to TV mounting, game tables, outdoor projects, and punch list repairs, we show up prepared and ready to get the job done right. Primos LLC is licensed, insured, and built on honest communication, reliable service, and quality work. For your next project, call or text 704-770-6260 or visit primosllc.com.